Hi everyone, I am Dr. Vardhelli Venkateshwarlu, Senior Consultant Neonatologist at the Birthplace by Cloudnine Hospitals, Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. The preterm babies after the discharge should be taken care by the parents in terms of temperature maintenance, feeding and prevention of infection. For the temperature maintenance, the preterm babies should be clothed fully with the full sleeves dress and full length pant with caps, socks, gloves and swaddling the baby throughout the day. The babies can be maintained a good temperature with continuing the kangaroo mother care at home. The babies should be fed frequently as per their hunger cues and should be touched only after the hand wash. So the visitors should be minimized and the parents should be vaccinated with flu vaccination to decrease the prevention of respiratory infections from the family members to the baby. A temperature watch called as Bempu watch helps in the baby's temperature detection and alerts the parents to clothe the baby and understand the baby's temperature regulation easily. Any baby who has breathing difficulty or bluish discoloration frequently over the body, dull activity, decreased feeding should be considered with a pediatrician immediately.